Dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily understand if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. So first thing, when you try to send messages, you will see that your messages won't send in this social media, and also you won't see a photo of your contact, so you will see only no photo contact. Also, you can understand it if you see previous time that your contact just add some photo to his or her profile, and after you will see no photo profile. It means that you may be blocked on this WhatsApp. Also, you won't be able for calling this contact and sending any messages. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.